Hello, I am here again with Nyan Cat Space Adventures. This time we're going to be making a custom Nyan Cat, my favoriteest YouTubes. And then we're going to be testing out all the levels and all the modes and things. Ready? Because I sure am. And yes, I'm sick, I know. Don't mind it. Excuse me if I cough or sound stuffy. I'm really sorry. How much money do I have? I could get her. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and save up for that free. Oh god, it took me to the Play Store. Nope. Don't want to go to the Play Store. I went through the Blood and Roses playthrough to a different part of the story, so I'm not sure if I should I don't know how to delete it. I'll have to play the whole story and then redo it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to have any more Blood and Roses for a while. It's going to be on pause. And I'm going to go through the whole story, like, all by myself before you guys, because I've already seen some of it. And then I'm just going to, like, after I finish the whole story, I'm going to and I'm just basically what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I was thinking. And what I'm basically gonna do is that I'm going to like, I'm gonna go back to the beginning because after you play so many things, you can go back to the prologue and to the main story and things and replay it as much as you want without using tickets, or it might cost tickets. I don't know. But I'm gonna go back and replay from where we left off. I'm recording. I know. So that might just be a pause right now, so I'm gonna find some other games to occupy you guys. Oops. Sorry. Okay, I need... Oh, no, here. I need... What color? Green. Green. That one. Back. Now I need blue. Oh, by the way, I'm doing Jacksepticeye if you didn't notice. Little bit, get off the bed. What are you doing? Sorry, my dog just jumped in the bed. I'm gonna do it one more round in and that's it. Oops. Well. There we go. Oh, I forgot about this one. Whoops. So no, I'm not talking a lot, it's just because I'm trying to concentrate. Oops, I knew I messed up somewhere, it wasn't symmetrical. Oh, there we go. I need to turn that black. There we go. Everything's the same as long as it's back. Okay, black. I'm making Jacksepticeye, making Septic Sam, because I love Jacksepticeye. One big, round, bigger. So I'm gonna have big people. There we go. Perfect! It's Sam! Oh, I know what I can do. I can make Sam's tail. Look how cute that is. Nyan cat's green. Nyan cat's eyes are blue. Nyan cat's cheeks are blue. And his rainbow. It'll be blue. Green. Now it looks like Sam has 2 tails, which makes him even awesomer. Oh. Go back to you. Because it looks like he already has a tail. So I don't have to worry about that. I'm not going to do like the veins in it because I don't want to mess it up. Oh, that's so cute. Rainbow time. Hold on. There we go. Perfect. Fixed. It's so cute. If we get the cape, the outside's going to be green, obviously, but the inside is going to be... I'm just like wiping out my screen, sorry. Who? I don't know. Yes. Blue. What's gonna be the base for it? Go over, down, up, down, down. Sorry, guys. Darn it, I'll fix that later. I'm like rubbing the screen, by the way, if you're wondering. I'm trim this up here green, and this black in here. Perfect. It's like a million septic eyes. It's so cool, guys. Don't you think it's perfect? Okay, I'm still recording. I think it's perfect. I have an idea. Blue around green to make it even more edgy. Oh, it's so beautiful back. I haven't tried this level yet, so we're gonna do that first. Here we go. Oh, I'm the bad cat. I don't want to be the bad cat. Am I after an iron cat? Well, we're checking out evil cat mode. It doesn't seem any different. I wonder what would happen to... Ooh, there's a lot of them down there. I'm gonna steal. I don't care about the bad catty. Oop. Rotating this. I don't want to download weirdness. Ooh. Open! Really? I only got 25. What a big up. I only got 25 thingies back. What? I want to go back. Okay. We're gonna do this one, okay, guys? We should have our Jacksepticeye skin. Yep. I want to win this one now. Oh, darn it, I messed up. I've almost won, I've almost won, I've almost won. I've never even gotten this far. I've never gotten this far. Crap, I messed up. Darn it, no, I'm gonna die. I can't die now, we're at the donut fields. Donut fields, donut fields, donut fields. Wait, please say there's ice cream fields next. Or Jacksepticeye sherbet. No! No! Oh, I got so far. Away. Sorry. I'm sick. Okay. Go! Away! I'm not a baby, I'm a Jacksepticeye. Jacksepticeye's not a baby. He's a 13-year-old, which is my age, and a Jacksepticeye's age 26 or 27-year-old guy's body. Not weird. It's like if I was a noob body. It's not weird. He acts like he's 13, but that lets me some fun. I'm supposed to be picking up speed, not slowing speed, and I'm gonna crash my face. I want to see more of a septic rainbow. I made up a word. Septic rainbow. Septic rainbow. I wonder if a bunch of people are gonna watch this now because it has Jacksepticeye in it. It's about Jacksepticeye. I'm gonna record another one of these and upload it, but it's gonna be Markiplier, and then after that I'm gonna do Matt Shea. Wizword hat. We're gonna give Nyan a Wizword hat. Go! There it is. We're going so fast that the Nyan's cat thing is breaking. Crap, he's coming. I'm recording. I can't be quiet. You know me. Up. 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 Come on. We've gotten farther. We've gotten past the donut. Wait, have we? Or did they just change it? I don't know. Oh, crap. Oh, man, I missed the coin so much. No, 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 no. Aww. I want to see how far we can advance in the other levels. Does this change? Oh, this one's like Jacksepticeye theme, kind of. It's like, yup, green. I guess it picks up I like green. And green's a good color. Green and blue are good colors. Yeah! Grandma, you ready to eat? She said no! I might have to go eat, and I don't want to edit. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. I don't know why I'm yelling. Chicken and rice. I'm sitting in the living room with you, so yeah. Ah, crash landing. Away. Darn it. Excuse me. Ice cream land. Yeah. The garlic bread smells good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, I've played enough of this. It's time for me to go eat dinner. I will do an update with Markiplier after this video. Stay cute, kitties, and I'm meowing out. See you tomorrow, kittens.